Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to change measurement units from inches to centimeters in Microsoft Word. This instantly switches your entire ruler, margin layouts, and indent settings into metric dimensions so you can match exact project formatting requirements. First, open Microsoft Word, look at the top left corner of the interface menu row, and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Advanced tab located near the middle of the sidebar list. Scroll down through the Advanced Properties pane until you reach the section explicitly headed Display. Locate the specific setting labeled Show Measurements in Units of and click its drop-down choice menu on the right. Select centimeters from the configuration list to override the default imperial scaling rule. Drop down to the bottom of the main options window and click the OK button to lock your new metric preferences into the system core. And that's it! Your precise document grid layout measurement is now completely optimized and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.